Hi everyone, if you are a video content creator or if you just enjoy editing video, stick around because I'll show you the latest AI features in Clipchamp that make absolutely easy editing video. Clipchamp is a very powerful tool and these AI features are available with your personal account or business account. You can remove noise from your audio, you can remove the background behind you, you can remove pauses and filler words if you want. Okay, let me show you every AI feature available out of the box in Clipchamp. Let's go! Here I am in a Clipchamp. Here I have a video that I'm editing. So let's open this video and let me show you the latest AI feature available in Clipchamp. I created and dropped a video here. So what I'm going to do now is dragging and drop an image because I want to create my thumbnail. So of course I want to remove the background of this image. I want to have a different background. Right now you can right click on the image and you are going to see remove background. This is one of the new powered AI feature available now in Clipchamp. Let's say that I want to add a different background. I want to be in a soundproof room. To do that, I'm going to drag and drop this second image. Of course, it will be added under my first image, and what you see now is the overlapping effect. I have now a new background image. I am in a soundproof room. Very cool. And I am standing here inside of this room. This is very cool as a first feature available. Now, let's jump on the second one. The second one is also very cool. Let's say that you have a video where you deliver your speech, and let me now select this video. Here I have this little icon with 2 stars, and this gives me the chance to open the AI suggestions panel. What I can do here is removing pauses and filler words. This is very cool. I already analyzed this before, so you need to run a process that takes some seconds, scan all your video, take pauses and filler words, and in this clip that I have here, I have some suggestion. As you can see, I have the transcription here, and here in this sentence, I dropped 3 seconds of pause. Let's produce an additional noise, then 3 seconds, and then start now so you can remove this. If you go here on the bin on the remove button, you are able to remove this specific suggestion and pause. But if you don't want, you can click on ignore. Or you can, in just one click, follow all suggestions and remove fillers, word and pauses. So let me now remove this one. And automatically the video is resized and edited. Now let's click on filler words, and what I have here is these filler words that I used quite often in this short video clip. Again, I can click on remove and automatically the video is edited by Clipchamp. So let's jump now on the third AI feature available in Clipchamp. So let's say that you have some background noise in your video. So you want to have a clean speech and you want to have your crispy sound voice. So to do that, you have to click on the video and then you can detach the audio. So let's do the same with the second video clip, which is splitted because we removed some pauses and filler word. Now that I have the 2 audio, I can click on the first one. For example, going on audio, I have noise suppressions turned on, and the same I have to do for the second one, which is done automatically because it's the same audio track. So you don't need to repeat this, even if you cut or split audio track. Now this is working behind the scene, And once it's done, you are going to have a sound and crispy voice. The process is ended. It's time to compare the difference now. Luckily, on the right of this track, I have the original of this video. Let's see how it is the original. Have some snack here. I have chips. And let's produce some noise. What I have here, look at this. I have a clipper. Let's produce an additional noise. Alright, now that you have seen the original, it's time to compare after the AI change and editing to my video track. Let's see how it sounds. A little bit angry. So let me have some snack here. I have chips. And let's produce some noise. And what I have here, look at this. I have a clip. Cool, right? If you are in a meeting or in a public location, you can use this function to make post-editing video, making your voice even crispy. Are you going to use these AI features? Let me know in the comment down below. If you find this video helpful, please consider to subscribe and like. This is a great help for producing content like that. Alright, I hope to see you next time. Bye.